Hey, what's up guys? Tim here. Got another tutorial for you today, and this is the first tutorial for 2016, so hope you guys like it. This is more of a paracord idea, but I wanted to share this with you as I thought it was pretty cool. So this is how to do a paracord weave over this USB silicone bracelet. Alright, so as you can see, this is just a silicone USB bracelet. It's got, I believe this is 16 gigs, that's the one I bought. And yeah, it's just got a simple Solomon knot over it. And I've seen, other paracord bracelets being done over those stretchy silicone bands, so I figure why not do something like this, okay? So in a second I will tell you where to get these silicone bracelets. And I just thought it would be a pretty cool idea to share with you guys for those of you who want to try something different and wearing one of these USB bracelets. Okay, so that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so I got my paracord ready here, as well as my USB bracelet. Now, you can find these on AliExpress.com, and they're very inexpensive. They're quite reasonable. The only thing is that they are shipping from China, so it will take a while to get to you, depending on where you live. They do come in various sizes, 8 gig, 16 gig, 32 gig, and they do work. I've tried it out. And it is made of a silicone material. So to find these, just search in AliExpress silicone USB bracelet, and you should be able to find these. They come in various colors as well. So yeah, I've got my paracord ready. I've got about 6.5 feet or so. I'll annotate that right there. And as for this bracelet, I think adding some paracord to it makes it really nice because it is a little large on me, and also it's a little flimsy, so adding that paracord does give it a good look and makes it a little more, I guess, comfortable to wear. So I'm just going to do the standard Solomon knot. However, you can experiment with this and try out different weaves on this band. So yeah, standard Solomon knot. I'm going to take the right over the core, left over top of that, and we're going to go back throughout the other side. So this is really just more of a idea for you guys, because I know all of you are very familiar with the Cobra stitch or Solomon knot. And just one tip about doing a weave over a silicone band is that you can't really pull too tight, because if you watch, if I pull too tight, it's gonna kind of deform the bracelet. So give it a decent amount of tension, but don't over tighten, and then you can do your next knot like that. Okay. And as you go, you'll notice you might want to have to play with it a bit to get it to look good, because sometimes little gaps occur, but that's going to happen with this because you can't really pull extremely tight. If you want to make the knots look a little bit, closer together, you can always push up on it like that. And let's continue. Alright, so I'm going to continue weaving all the way down here, like so. And I'll show you guys how to finish it off, but I'm sure you can see where I'm going with this, alright? So I will do that and show you how to finish it up. Alright, so just about done weaving, and nothing special to finishing this one off. We're just going to tie one last Solomon knot. And just one tip before you snip and singe, because this is a silicone core, when you pull on it, it's kind of going to want to recoil and kind of bounce back, and you won't be able to tie the last knot super tight. So just be careful of that when you're going to snip and singe, because if you cut it too close, it might just slip and be undone. Okay, so just use caution when doing that. So I'm just going to snip and melt the excess, and then we'll be done. Alright, and there we have it, guys. I'm done. So I snipped and singed my excess paracord there, and now my bracelet is nicely wrapped with this Solomon knot paracord weave. Alright, so that is about it. The bracelet now is a lot more comfortable to wear, because it was a bit large on my wrist, at least, without the paracord. So because it's got that added thickness now, it's a lot more comfortable and it fits a lot better. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's more of a paracord idea, I guess. If there's anything that was unclear, however, please do leave a comment or question down below. Be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. I am playing catch up on all the comments and stuff, because I've been a little lazy over the holidays, but don't worry, I read every single comment that shows up on my videos. Alright, so if you haven't already, please do like, share, and subscribe. That would really help me out. And stick to the end to see any and all related videos. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.